Brilliant bakers and marvellous makers, get ready for a flurry of flour, a sprinkle of sugar and a whole lot of fun because the Twinkl Homemade Bake-Off is back. This year we've given things a little shake and a stir. That's right, Bake-Off is back, but it's had a few tweaks, so listen up to find out how you can get involved. Each week our very own Lizzie will be choosing a brand new recipe and you'll find it on the Home Learning Hub every Tuesday. But don't worry, it'll be given to you a week in advance and then it's over to you. We want you to take that recipe and make it your own. Think about flavours, decorations and your favourite twists. Get as creative as you like. And don't worry, they won't always be sweet treats. We've got a mixture of savoury surprises too. Now, here's the extra challenge. Each week the Home Learning Hub will also be exploring a different continent as part of this term's Adventure of the World feature, and your mission is to try and weave that theme into your bake. Could be a decoration inspired by a continent, a flavour from that part of the world, or even a fun presentation idea. The more imaginative, the better. Once your masterpiece is ready, don't forget to share it. You can post a picture of your bake on the official sharing post in our HomeEd Facebook group. All the entries will then be gathered together in a celebratory reel which will be shared for everyone to enjoy. Make sure you upload your bake before each Monday at 11 AM so that it can be included. So whether you're whisking up something sweet or kneading a savoury sensation, this is your chance to show off your skills, get creative and join in the adventure. The Twinkl Homemade Bake-Off is back, bigger, brighter and brimming with flavour. We can't wait to see what you'll make. Ready, steady, get baking! Don't forget to share the challenges with your HomeEd friends. Twinkl, together with you on your HomeEd journey.